Howdy, Dr. Rick here with a new product I just got over from England for the P525 Bond Edition 2022 Defender 110 P525. It is just a lovely car, but something you probably want to have maintain its value. And so to try to protect the interior after a year and 3 months of use, I was able to go to simplycarmats.co.uk, and they have a fantastic selection. They are not used to sending to the United States. So if any of you all are thinking about getting one to the US, they'll do it. They just don't usually do it. It's an extra charge in shipping, of course, because it's across the ocean, and it may involve some other little finagling. But they already have several of the other styles of Defenders pre-made, ready to go. Pick colors, pick trim, pick do you want some special features on it, and then they make it up for you and send it to you. Here it is. Let's see. Okay, so unfurling this, it looks like there are straps that go around the headrests, and I must say the manufacturer was very accommodating with trying to make sure that they could fit it around all these boxes. They actually had pictures that I took and sent them to make sure that they had them all right. They had me measure things like this box, which I think is the rear air conditioner, and make sure that they had the right sizes on everything. They were not at all opposed to doing this very, very custom work. I think it cost a little bit more, but it should fit just right. So walking around the interior here, there's a slit where the locking for the rear seat goes when it's pulled all the way up. There's an opening for the vent there. There's an opening for the vent here, opening for the vent here. All this stuff seems to line up very nicely. This may not be such a perfect fit, and I may have some credit for that because I was the one that measured it for them. So we will press on. But all of the expected little openings are there for the things that are little things in there, like the curry hook and the uppy downy back light and the outlet. Nice that the hooks that go across the back just seem to hold the quilted edge. I don't really use those for anything else. Now the other side. Looks like they're maintaining the holes for the over the seat anchor for the children's seats. The edges, again on this side, you got the vents, little pockety thing I haven't used. Another vent here, made space for it. Here's an outlet, so space there. This goes right over the box, no problem. Fits to the light. I actually had to open up and use the Velcro here. I was nervous about that, just to tack it up here. I don't really actually know what this does, but you know, it's still part of the plan, so they did it. Hooks over here to hold it up. More Velcro attachments if you wanted to get a snugger fit. I'm not quite ready for that commitment, and so I am going to wait on that. But overall, nice protection for the interior. I also requested that I have this drop down that goes over the rear bumper to try to keep it from getting scraped. Kind of a little late, but you know, good start, good protection from now on. And I also have it so that the seats should be able to lie down, and there's even a splitty thing here so that you could Velcro them separate, so that you could have one side down. You could have the 60 side or the 40 side down, or both. So I'm going to put both down. So here we are with both seats down. The Velcro edge where the back attaches here, it's 90-degree bend, of course, that has to go. It unvelcros, it goes down, and it falls flat on the floor, so it has a very nice open protective area. Little interesting tidbit, those buckles I was so impressed by going around the headrest. Well, the headrests have to come off so that you can lay everything flat. So the buckles are no longer attached to the headrest. However, conveniently, if you take that buckle and strap it on the pull-up strap for the seat of the back seat, voila, it is very nice and tight. I plan to do the same thing for the other side, not yet done. Still has the openings for all of the latches that you might need, so it's not a complete coverage, but golly, that's a lot better protection than what I had when I was out in Uray at the National Rally, and this should serve me very well when I transport everything out for the big ANARC rally in Western New York in Cortland, June 14 to 18. Look at ANARC, ANARC.club, CLUB, and register there. It should be quite an amazing party. Diamond Jubilee. So overall, to summarize, muy bien. I like that it covers the thing pretty completely, and it looks like it especially covers the places that are bigger bumps that are more likely to get bumped into by things sliding in and out. And I like how when you lay it down, it does a very nice coverage all the way around the back. So I would recommend.